Welcome to Phil's Cooking Class, Episode 1, Shepherd's Pie. Stage 1, get your saucepan, potatoes, peel, boil and mash and set to one side. Stage 2, get a bit of vegetable oil, carrots, onion, and just fry until soft. Add your mince, get a bit of gravy, tomato puree, Worcestershire sauce, give it all a stir, and then wait for stage 3. Right then, now it's time to take it out of the oven and see what we got. Wish me luck. I don't think that looks too bad. Homemade shepherd's pie, spicy wedges, and homemade beer.